Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to disable restricted mode on YouTube, and this is the most up-to-date method as of 2021. If you found this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a new browser, which you're going to come across to youtube.com. And then if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So with restricted mode, what it basically does is filters your search results. So it's not 100% accurate, but it will try and filter out some of the results to show content that is not as obscene. So it's a bit more mature. But to change this, it's actually very simple. What you want to do once you're logged into your account is come to your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And if you go and give that a click, you're going to get a drop down menu which looks like this. And all you're going to want to do, if it's not showing, is just scroll down slightly. And you'll see at the very bottom there, you've got restricted mode and it says on. All you want to do is give that a click. And you can see what happens. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos, no filters are 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this browser. So just bear in mind, if you do use multiple browsers, so if you use like Google Chrome, Firefox and Microsoft Edge for example, you would need to do this process on every browser. It doesn't restrict it across the board. So to do this, all you need to do is literally come down and where it says down here activate restricted mode, all you want to do is click onto this toggle button, and that's actually going to disable restricted mode. And what should happen, it should refresh the page, but if it doesn't, then you can just obviously refresh it yourself by clicking the button up here. And that's going to be disabled for any future searches. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.